Today, Texas Legal Services Center launched a statewide pilot project. So it's called the Virtual Court Access Project, and it aims to help people who have limited access to technology to easily attend court hearings, upload documents, and interact with the court for free. And joining us to give us insight is Executive Director of Texas Legal Services Center, Karen Miller. You just saw her there in that video at the press conference they had. So you explained to them there, but explain to our viewers, how exactly, Karen, does this kiosk work?
So we've got partnerships with about 25 different host sites directly in local communities throughout the state, and folks can make appointments online. They can go to our website, www.tlsc.org/kiosk, and reserve a time when they can use the kiosk. And then when they get to the kiosk, there's an opportunity for them to walk through an informational video. They can chat online or on phone with technical assistance that we have in our legal aid office to learn how to upload evidence so that the court can consider the documents that they need in their case. They can also access the other materials that we have that can prepare them to meaningfully participate in their case so they understand their rights, and they can chat with a legal aid attorney for free.
Okay, and we know that so many people in our community have limited resources, limited access to the internet. What prompted the start of this program?
It was really interesting. During the pandemic, for the first time, our Supreme Court and our state opened up the courts to some virtual hearings. And what we found is that it really increased access to most of the state. There was more meaningful engagement in the hearings from many people. But low-income Texans didn't always have the tools that they needed or the help that they needed to meaningfully participate. But the access, it was really interesting. It increased so much. Prior to the virtual hearings, there was about an 80% no-show rate for people that had to represent themselves. Once the virtual hearings were promulgated, we had about an 80% participation rate, so quite a change.
Wow, okay, and you gave me some stats there, so it looks like you have measured success. How has this been successful in other parts of the area?
Well, we've just started it here in Texas, but in Minneapolis and Minnesota, actually, during COVID, they used funds that they received from the federal government for emergency funding, and they set up about 300 of these kiosks around the state in Minnesota, and they've had success with the participation in those hearings.
Okay, and then lastly, how do you hope that Texans really benefit from this? You said that it really will increase access for many of them.
You know, it's really exciting to have the tools to assist them with the court process, but to me, the most important part is it's actually putting a legal aid office inside the community, because they can directly access the other services that we offer. So they can talk to our lawyers, they can learn about other things that our programs can do for them. And it will help inform us as legal aid organization about what the community's legal needs really are, so that we're catering to that location.
Yeah, exactly. Karen, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.